Have you deleted an important file or lost data after a system issue? When that happens, the real question is whether your data can actually be recovered and which tool you can trust to do it. So in today's video, we are reviewing Remo Recover for Windows, a data recovery software built for Windows users. I'll walk you through how it works, what features it offers, how the recovery process looks in real use, and how the pricing works. So by the end of the video, you'll have a clear idea of whether Remo Recover is the right option for your data recovery needs. On Trustpilot, Remo software has an overall rating of around 4.5 out of 5 stars, and most user reviews are positive, with many users saying the software works as expected for recovering lost files and is easy to use even for beginners. Several reviews also mention good customer support, while some users point out that paid license is required to fully recover files. So overall, Trustpilot feedback suggests a generally high level of user satisfaction with Remo software. Now let's take a look at the key features that Remo Repair offers and what makes it stand out as a repair solution as compared to all the other softwares. Let's start with talking about Remo Video Repair, which is a specialized tool within Remo software that focuses specifically on fixing corrupted, damaged, or unplayable video files caused by recording errors, file transfer issues, or storage problems. It has a user-friendly interface. It is built to handle a wide range of video corruption scenarios and aims to deliver reliable repair results. It works in a read-only mode, ensuring the original video file remains untouched during the repair process. Users can preview the repaired video before saving it and helping them confirm the repair quality in advance. The tool also includes advanced repair capabilities and can use a healthy reference video from the same device to improve repair accuracy. Remo Video Repair is also supported by a technical support team that assists users when needed. Then we have as Remo PST Repair, which is a dedicated tool within Remo software designed to repair damaged, corrupted, or inaccessible Microsoft Outlook PST files and restore lost Outlook data. It is built to handle different PST corruption scenarios, whether the file is damaged, corrupt, or not opening in Outlook. The tool also uses advanced repair algorithms to repair PST files that are heavily corrupted or completely inaccessible, and it can restore a wide range of Outlook data, including emails, contacts, calendars, notes, and reminders from repaired PST files. Remo PST Repair works in read-only mode, ensuring the original PST file remains untouched throughout the repair process, and the interface is designed for ease of use, allowing users to repair PST files in just 3 steps. Select the PST file, scan it, and repair. Alongside repair tools, Remo software also offers a dedicated solution for backing up and migrating Microsoft Outlook data, known as the Remo Backup and Migrate tool for Outlook. Remo Backup and Migrate is an all-in-one Outlook utility designed to backup, restore, and migrate Outlook data without relying on manual import and export methods. It simplifies the entire process and removes common limitations associated with traditional Outlook data transfers. It offers securely backup and transfer all Outlook data, including emails, contacts, calendars, and settings. It can move Outlook to a new computer or a newer version of Outlook or Office quickly and reliably. It has option to save backup securely to the cloud with password protection and works with all Outlook versions for restoring, migrating, or upgrading your Outlook setup. In addition to repair and backup tools, Remo software also offers Remo Uncover, a forensic utility designed to monitor, collect, and analyze digital activity on a Windows PC. This tool helps uncover hidden or deleted traces and provides detailed insights into system activity. It offers features like historical activity tracking, where Remo Uncover can detect past activity even if traces have been deleted or hidden, giving you a clear view of what happened on the PC. It automatically gathers, correlates, and organizes digital evidence, saving time compared to manual log inspection. The tool can generate professional PDF reports summarizing all findings, which is useful for documentation or legal purposes. Remo Uncover also provides real-time monitoring, alerting you if new applications are installed or if someone accesses the PC remotely. So Remo Recover is a powerful forensic tool that provides peace of mind by keeping track of hidden or deleted activity, automatically collecting or organizing evidence, and generating professional reports. Its real-time monitoring ensures you are instantly aware of any unauthorized access or changes, making it an essential tool for anyone who wants to secure their PC, maintain accountability, and simplify digital investigations. Apart from the core tools we discussed, Remo software offers a full range of utilities designed for data recovery, repair, backup, file management, and security. So here's a quick overview. We have data recovery tools such as Remo Recover Windows and Mac. We have some repair tools such as Remo Repair Word, PowerPoint, PSD, Zip, RAR, which repair corrupt documents, presentations, Photoshop files, and compressed archives with simple guided interfaces. And the video repair repairs damaged or corrupt video files across formats like MP4, MOV, AVI, and many more. In Outlook tools, we have Remo Repair Outlook PSD, Remo Outlook Backup and Migrate, and we also have Remo Convert OST to PSD, where you can convert OST files to PSD to recover emails, contacts, and other important Outlook data. It also offers the file management tools such as Remo Duplicate File and Photos Remover, where you can find and remove duplicate files or images to free up storage. It also includes Remo File Eraser or Drive Wipe, along with Remo Wipe Assured, which is an enterprise-grade tool for permanent data ensured with cloud dashboard management. Setting up Remo Recover is really straightforward. All you need to do is download the version compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac, and follow the simple installation wizard. The process is guided step by step, so you don't need any technical knowledge to get started. Once installed, the interface is super clean and intuitive. On the main screen, you can easily see your drives and partitions. Select the location you want to recover from, like desktop, documents, or recycle bin, and then simply click Scan. The layout is minimalistic with clear icons and labels, making it easy for beginners to navigate without confusion. And even though there are a lot of data recovery tools out there like Recover or Ease US Data Recovery Wizard that promise to get your files back, but many of them either feel complicated, miss files in tricky situations, or don't let you see exactly what you're recovering. That's where Remo Recover really shines. It's simple to use, guides you step by step, and handles tough cases like formatted drives or corrupted files, things tools like Recover often can't manage. Plus, the preview feature is fast and reliable, so you can confirm your files before restoring them. Basically, Remo fills the gaps other tools leave behind, giving you both ease and results you can trust. And when it comes to pricing, Remo Recover is pretty flexible depending on what you need. If you just want to try it out, there is a 1-month license for about $69.97, which covers a single PC and includes standard tech support. The 6-month plan is around $79.97 and even comes with remote advanced data recovery help, perfect if you want a bit more support. And for those who want it forever, there's a lifetime license for $199.97, giving you permanent access plus remote recovery assistance. And overall, it's a tool that really balances ease of use, powerful recovery, and value, whether you're dealing with simple deleted files or more serious data loss like formatted or corrupted drives. Compared to other free tools in competition, Remo stands out with its step-by-step guidance, fast previews, and reliable results. Plus, with flexible pricing and a 30-day money-back guarantee, it's easy to try without worrying. If you've been struggling with lost files or just want a tool you can trust, Remo Recover is definitely worth checking out. If you want to try it out, I have included a link in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. That wraps up the review, a tool that's simple, reliable, and handles even the toughest data loss situation with ease.